My name is Isabella and my name is Feria Colombo.
And today we are talking about recycling. What is recycling? Recycling is the process by which materials that have been discarded or used and recovered, transferred and reused to manufacture new products or raw materials. The main objective of recycling is to reduce the consumption of new that was resource, reduce waste generation and minimize the environmental impact of waste production and disposal.
Which objects can be recycled? Some items that can be recycled include, first, paper and cardboard, newspapers, magazines, cardboard boxes, and office paper. 2. Glass, bottle and jars. 3. Plastics, plastic bottles, product containers, and lids. 4. Metals, aluminum cans, steel cans, food containers, and scrap metal. 5. Electronics, phone appliances, computers, and mobile phones. 6. Textiles, fabrics and clothes. 7. Batteries, rechargeable and non-rechargeable batteries. 8. Wood, old furniture, pallets, and wood scraps.
Can clothes be recycled? Yes, currently in Mexico there is a clothing recycling campaign launched by CNA, focusing on offering a second life to clothes that are no longer in use. The colored garments are restored, those in good condition are reused and sold in second-hand stores, while the rest are recycled to products such as mattresses or thermal packaging.
Graph that can be made with recycled objects. And there are many everyday objects that can be recycled and reused in creating graphs. So examples of these recycled objects and the graph that can be made with them are, first, plastic bottles. We can make hanging planters like this. 2. Old clothes or fabrics as graphs. We can create rag dolls. 3. Egg cartons. We can make beautiful flowers. 3. 4. Paper and cardboard. We can make greeting cards and bookmarks. And 5. Cardboard too. We can make decorative animals.
Meanwhile, the consequences of the not doing recycling. As we can see, the recycling can be a good and positive part of our lives. But what would happen if we don't implement it? It seems there are 8 billion people on this planet, and it seems too that if the major part of the 8 billion people, or even all of the 8 billion people, stop doing recycling, we can get in a big trouble with the food systems. Normally, a person makes about 2 kilograms of trash every single day, and we are talking about one and only one person. So, if we stop doing recycling, we can get in troubles like the poor fetal soil. This happens because some trash can degrade slower than other trash can do. So, the occupied space by the non-recycled trash can be a good space for plants and fetal soil. Other problem can be the accumulation of trash. This happens because, as I said before, some trash can degrade slower than other trash can do. So we can give it a better use as we saw before. And this can give us a bad quality of air too. Other problem, and maybe one of the biggest problems, can be the total destruction of habitats. These are the home of many plants and animals that we can normally think about. So if we stop doing recycling, we lose a good part of our planet. Meanwhile, the jambon is a kind of street art that is considered less invasive than other kinds of street arts. This happens because this is when public spaces are covered with knitted or crochet fabrics. The jambon can cover trees, benches, plant stocks, statues, and even many other public spaces. Thank you.
Bravo.